Welcome. My name is Dean Wesley Smith. I am the author of over 200 novels, 600 or 700 short stories, and 700 or 800 different books. And we are doing this time travel class. It's a classic time travel, meaning it originally was an active one, but now all of the assignments in the class you do for yourself, which we, both Christine Catherine Risch and I, highly recommend. The two of us put this class together because we both love time travel. We both love writing time travel. We've written a lot of time travel and alternate time and all kinds of stories like that over the decades that we have been professional writers. And so we thought we'd do this, how to write time travel. It's a 6-week class. It has about 40 some videos over the 6 weeks and 5 assignments. Hope you'll join us. It's a really fun class, especially if you have a love of time travel.